In this video, I'll show you how to hide unused switches and keep your app clean. Unused switches create clutter, confusion, and a messy dashboard. With hide switches, you can remove inactive or unused switch tiles from the app, so only the devices you actually use are visible. This keeps every room simple, organized, and much easier for the whole family to navigate. Now, I'll show you how to hide unused switches and keep your dashboard clean. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Settings in the bottom menu. Select Devices. Select the room and choose your device. Scroll down, tap on Hide Switches. Select the switches you want, then toggle Hide or Show beside each one. Tap Hide. That's it. Your selected switches are now hidden. Less clutter, clearer control. Only see what matters. Thank you.